a thunderstorm today. Come on. Hey guys, did you hear about the thunderstorm?
Yeah, I heard it. Yeah, I saw like the clouds go like blinking for a second.
Yeah, because that's thunder, you idiot.
Wait, what's thunder? Morton, we don't have time for this. I mean, there's a thunderstorm outside, and we have to stay in here for a while.
Yeah, this sucks.
Yeah, it does suck. We have to stay in here until it goes away. Yeah, if only we have something to do with, like, inside.
Yeah, we've basically done everything inside.
Who screamed? Well, that wasn't me.
It wasn't me. Huh. Why not ask our papa? Oh yeah, let's check on papa.
Oh, I hate thunderstorms. Why did it have to be a thunderstorm today of all days? Oh, well, at least I'm hearing things like maybe that's not thunder. Yeah, that's not thunder. Maybe it can be like wind. Yeah, that's wind. Like there's no way it's a thunderstorm, right? Yeah, I guess I could go to sleep. Maybe just sleep it off. Okay, that's definitely thunder. That's definitely thunder.
Hey, father?
What do you want, Junior?
Why were you screaming?
Junior, look out the window.
Oh, yeah, the thunderstorm.
Yeah, the thunderstorm is outside.
Yeah, why were you screaming?
Junior, you do know that I don't like thunderstorms. I am scared of them.
Wait, what? You're scared of thunderstorms?
Yes, you got a problem with that?
Well, whatever. I'm just checking on you, and now that I know you're scared of thunderstorms, I guess my father's a big baby.
Wait, what? I'm not a big baby.
Says the one who's covered in, like, blankets, and it's daytime.
Yeah, but there's a thunderstorm outside.
Yeah, only to find out that my big father, who's the king of the Koopas, and is scared of lightning. My father's scared of lightning. Well, later, loser.
Man, I can't believe this is happening today. There's a lightning storm outside, and I've been humiliated by my son. How can things get any worse? What are you all looking at? Oh, I can't believe this.
Why are you hiding under the blankets?
Wait, why is he?
Because he's scared of lightning.
Stop! Stop laughing! It's not funny! You're right. It's not funny. Thank you, Ludwig.
It's hilarious.
Stop it! Stop laughing! You're that's it! Get out of my room! Get out of me! You're all grounded!
Oh man.
Jeez, my father can't even take a joke. Yeah, what a baby. Yeah, he's a big baby. Can't take a joke. I hate thunderstorms. Wait, what I hear rain? Wait. Hold up the window open!
He's scared of the window being open.
Oh my god, I'm about to have a heart attack. Oh god, that means the thunderstorm's gonna be in here. Come back, close the window.
Alright, sir, I'll close the door. I know how much you're scared of the thunderstorm.
Well, you're not gonna laugh at me, are you?
Wait, what? Why would I laugh at your phobia?
Because the kids have been laughing at me.
Well, they're just kids after all.
Oh, guess you're right.
Yeah, well, anyways, you have a good rest.
Thank you, Kevin.
Come on, buddy, get out of the bed. No, I don't want to. Come on, we gotta at least get out of the bed once. No, I don't like lightning.
Tails, we're inside. We should be safe.
No. Do you gotta do this every time this is thunderstorm?
What? That's just how you make one go away.
What, by shouting at it and then get struck by lightning?
It worked last time.
No, it didn't. I was there last time. You got struck by lightning and almost died.
But I was alive, wasn't I?
I guess, but none of the people would be happy.
What?
Nothing?
Well, all that matters is that the thunderstorm went away after I got struck. So maybe it'll go away.
Yeah, I wouldn't say that because it's still there.
Nope, it's gonna go away. Any minute now.
I don't even understand what you're saying. It also got your bottom jaw.
But you can still understand me, right?
I guess, kind of. I don't even know what you're saying.
Like I said, it's gonna go away.
You're an idiot.
Yeah, I know.